Welcome back, everybody. I'm joined by meteorologist Eric Alf. Now, Eric, I feel like we faced Fool's Fall, but is actual fall coming up for us soon?
Well, temperatures are definitely a lot cooler today, but it's still humid out there, so not much of a fall feel, and it's not as bright as it was yesterday as well, right? Look at all those clouds.
It is a really pretty sky, though.
It's kind of nice. Now, there's been some sun, especially if you're in Accomack County. It was actually a mostly sunny day today, but everywhere else it's been mostly cloudy, and we got some showers in the forecast as well, so a little bit of a wet start to the week, but again, it's been dry this month and we could use some of the rain. We'll check out the weather watches as well. That got some pretty decent rain as well. But yeah, it's mostly cloudy out there, but weather watchers calling in, and look at Nina from Sandtown, Delaware, reporting 1 inch of rain from some of the isolated showers today. 72 degrees, but just a little bit south with Connie and Greenwood, mostly from some mist earlier this morning, only around 0.02 of an inch, 71 degrees. And then we got Chucky and Lewis, 70 degrees, and Joe Bishopville reporting 73 degrees down there. So it's definitely cooler than it was yesterday, especially the further north you go. Areas like Georgetown are 10 degrees cooler than it was 24 hours ago yesterday. And that's mainly because of the clouds and showers that we saw today. And it is going to remain a bit on the unsettled side, at the very least through Monday, Tuesday, and maybe a little bit of Wednesday, with a chance for showers isolated to scattered in nature. But we should get more in the way of clearing skies by Wednesday with a front pushing through. And with that, we got a drier forecast for the end of this weekend. A little bit of a drop in the humidity as well. But right now, we do have some showers in progress, especially if you go along the coastline of Dorchester County. A little shower right there, some moderate rain falling, and a little light shower once you go towards Dover. But the bottom line is that spotty in nature, and I think that's going to remain the case for tomorrow. Still get the swirling low pressure. It's the remnant circulation of what once was Hurricane Helene. Of course, it's in a much weaker state, but it's going to give us a threat for increased clouds and showers as we go forward for the next couple of days. And this is the front that moves through on Wednesday. Brings in some drier weather, high pressure built in behind it, but the drop in the humidity doesn't look as pronounced as it once did. Still a little bit of a drop in the humidity, but it still may be slightly humid Wednesday into Thursday. Humidity spikes up a little bit by Friday ahead of another front by the weekend, and hopefully by the time we get to next Sunday, we'll get a bigger drop in the humidity by then. But to time out the shower chances for the next couple of days, tonight it's going to be mostly cloudy with a chance for a spot shower. Tomorrow it's going to be mostly cloudy as well with some light rain showers here and there throughout the day. I don't think it's a total washout, but it certainly will be a bit gray and damp out there with an easterly wind. Can have a low cloud deck in place as well. I think Tuesday is going to be a better potential for some scattered showers across the area, pretty uniformly distributed. So I think everyone is going to get the chance to see at least some rain during the day on Tuesday. It looks fairly wet and a bit soggy out there, but I'm not expecting very heavy rainfall. In fact, the rainfall totals overall over the next couple of days should remain below an inch. Perhaps I think half an inch, a little bit above that, is a good bet for the highest rainfall total. So not expecting any flooding issues, which is a good sign right there. Just enough rain to kind of soak into the ground at an eased level. So that's a good thing right there to help relieve some of the drought conditions that we've seen throughout this month. So for tonight, 63 to 68 degrees, fairly muggy out there with a chance for a few isolated showers. Tomorrow, 70 to 75 degrees, so a little bit on the cooler side, but still humid out there with isolated showers. So we got scattered showers in the forecast for Tuesday, and isolated showers possible on Wednesday. Partially sunny, should be drying out by the time we get to Thursday and Friday. Layla?